Hi guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. In today's video, I'm going to make some DIY bookmarks. I collected some ideas from Pinterest. They are simple and can be recreated by anyone as they are pretty easy. So without any further delay, let's begin. The links of all the stationery items that I'll use for making the bookmarks will be given in the description box. So if you want to make a purchase, you can click on the link and carry on. So first I drew these lines in order to cut out the bookmarks. I'm making these in two sizes, one for the bigger books and the other in a smaller size. For the first one, I have taped the edges and divided the bookmark into 4 parts that I'll be painting with 4 different shades of the same color. It's a pretty easy design and can be recreated by anyone. It looks artistic but doesn't require much efforts. I'm using watercolor as it's easy to create different shades of the same color by adding water. Try to paint it evenly so there aren't any harsh lines, especially around the edges of the tape. Once you peel off the tape, you can see how beautiful it looks. So simple and elegant. Then I'm going to write a word meaning. You can choose any word you fancy and the bookmark is ready. For the next bookmark, we are going to follow the same technique, but I'll be using 4 different colors for this one. You can go for a particular color family, for example cooler colors or warmer colors like pink, red and orange. I went for a mix of all the colors. I wrote just one more chapter and cut them out to stick on each color box, and our bookmark is ready. The next one is going to be rather gothic, so I'm using a paper cutout and I'll burn the edges slightly. Be careful when you are going to do this. If you are a kid watching this, do this under your guardian's supervision or let them do this for you. Then I'm going to stick the paper on the bookmark. I chose this particular sticker as it looks really gothic. I'll finish by stamping the word read. Very simple and classy. For the next bookmark, I will be using craft paper and washi tapes. I have cut them according to the size of the bookmark. Then I'm going to stick the washi tape like this, and over it I will simply stick the craft paper. I had these studs that I got from a local shop, so I will be sticking these on the bookmark. These are almost like bindis, so maybe you can get your hands on some at a cosmetic shop near you, and the bookmark is done. For the last one, I will be using the same items. First, I've cut out a square from the craft paper and I'll stick it at the top. Then I'll add a washi tape. For the next layer, I'll stick plain green colored paper and draw a simple pattern on the edges. You can write anything over here. You can write word meanings, or you can also write the names of the books that you want to read in a particular month. Then I'll again stick a washi tape followed by a craft paper cutout. To finish it off, I'll also add some studs and the bookmark is ready. So these are all the bookmarks I created. Let me know in the comments which one you liked the best. I think these designs are super simple and easy. They look artistic, but you don't have to be a full-on artist to create these. If you enjoyed this video, then let me know in the comments. I'll surely make a part 2 of this video if you guys want. If you found this video valuable, then like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.